up you guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So sorry I look a little bit kind of out of it. It is 6:24 in the morning. I've actually been up and like laying in the bed since 4 a.m. this morning, so I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep, okay? But I thought it'd be kind of cool to come on here real quick on camera and actually kind of share with you guys my simple and easy go-to travel beauty routine. I tend to kind of do the same. Well, first of all, let me just say that the setup is a bit different because Dion and I are actually, we actually stayed at like this random Airbnb last night. It's not random. Alicia and I had a shoot at an Airbnb yesterday. And after the shoot, Alicia wasn't staying here and I was gonna go home, but I was like, let's go ahead and just turn it into like a weekend vacation with Papa. Come on, say hi. No, come in, because I see you like peeping in right there. My little husband right here. So I was like, let's go ahead and just kind of turn it into like a little weekend vacation. Yes, I have a towel on, guys. Like a little weekend vacation with my hubby. So we stayed here last night, and whenever I go on vacation or just travel anywhere, I kind of just pack the same thing. Like this little toiletry bag here is literally pre-packed and ready to go. So honestly, anytime I go anywhere, I literally just grab this black bag because it has everything I need in it, and I'll just take it with me and I'll just go. So first off, before I even get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know, Scentbird is an online subscription service where you can actually go online, order fragrances of your choice, and have them sent directly to your doorstep. And basically you have the freedom to try any scent or fragrance you want every month for the cost of 15 bucks. So that is an amazing deal. I love it because of how simple and compact their containers are. So the fragrance vials actually come in little tiny travel size containers. This one here is my go-to travel scent. It's Dolce & Gabbana The One. Love this scent. And I love it because it's a very light and fresh. I don't quite do floral scents, but it is still very light and fresh. You can kind of wear it all day, which I love, which is why I do this one for traveling. And then also outside of my travel bag, I also carry around one of these Scentbird fragrances in my purse. So I have this pouch I carry in my purse. I carry it around everywhere with me. And in there, I love to carry around the scent Versace Crystal Noir. And I love this one because this was actually a lot heavier. And it's definitely a really sexy date night, or like not even date night, like just a really heavy, sexy night perfume. I wouldn't like for this one to work because it is a little bit more heavier and I would catch everyone's attention walking around with this, but it smells amazing and my husband loves it. So that is the fragrances that I typically use every day. And I kind of actually like to kind of start off with the fragrance just because I feel like smelling good is like not number one priority, but like one of my top priorities. So I just spray a little spritz all over and get my body all nice and smelling good. And then I'll also go ahead and just pop on some deodorant. I can do this before or after I cleanse. It kind of just depends on what I do. Let's leave? Okay, bye Pumpkin. He's about to head to work, y'all. So again, perfume on. Also go ahead and do my deodorant because duh, gotta be fresh. So now again, whenever I travel, I honestly bring these same things. Like this routine never changes. So I'll just bring in this little toiletry bag. Okay, so first of all, of course, I have my toothbrush. I have a toothbrush, and I love to bring my Colgate Optic White Stain Fighter. And of course, it's in the travel size. And then I'll also bring, so I have 3 little travel sizes of facial cleanser. And I'll tell you kind of how and when I use them. So they look like this, and I'll just buy the containers from Walmart. And this one here actually has the CeraVe, bye babe. This one here actually has the CeraVe hydrating lotion in it, and it's like the moisturizing cream from CeraVe. I love this one. This one here is the Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliator. I have read about this one non-stop. You guys know how much I love this exfoliator. I use it every morning, no matter where I am, which is why I have a travel size of it because it is amazing. And then I also have the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. So these are from the same brand, the lotion or the cleansing lotion, the hydrating cleansing lotion, and also the foaming lotion. I just use these for 2 different purposes. Again, this one's more so for moisture, and this one here is really good for just cleansing away, you know, makeup, dirt, all that good stuff. So since it is the morning, I typically will go in with the Philosophy Micro Delivery. And I'll cleanse with this first, and then I'll follow up with the CeraVe Hydrating Lotion. And I do these two together because the Micro Delivery, of course, is an exfoliator. It really helps to buff away any dead skin cells and kind of just helps to rejuvenate my skin for the morning. But the only thing with this one is that because it is an exfoliator, it actually has some tiny beads in it. And washing with this once, like you'll actually have you'll almost always have leftover beads on your skin. So I love to follow up with something else, kind of help to make sure that I get all of the extra beads from this away. And wet my face with the face towel. Okay, I'll take my Philosophy, put like a dime size in my hand, and then just massage this into my skin for like 30 seconds. And I do this again, this time make sure I'm buffing away all the excess, any excess dirt, any dead skin cells. And also it helps to exfoliate and kind of just like gradually remove any dark marks. And it makes a huge, huge, huge difference. So I love this stuff, you guys. Like this stuff, I will buy this forever, okay? Because it's that amazing. Okay, then after about 30 seconds of buffing it in, I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse my face. Okay, rinse my face and just blot away the excess water. See, and just instantly, like with just one use of the Philosophy, my skin feels and looks drastically different, especially in the morning. Okay, so that's round one. I'm gonna go ahead and now go in with the CeraVe Hydrating Lotion. Again, like a little dime size amount. Gonna wet my face with a wet towel. And then just massage this in. And then with this step, I don't know if it's just me, but I love to kind of give myself like a nice little soft facial massage. I don't know why. I kind of just like massage up a little bit. Massage around here. Kind of massaging my skin for some reason. I don't know why I do that, but I just do. It's a cleanser, but it has more of a lotion consistency. So it doesn't really foam up, which I do like. And this one gives your skin all the moisture, y'all. So I'm gonna rinse that off. And it's going ahead and just blotting off that extra water. Okay, so we are all good there. Then I kind of just go in and of course moisturize the skin. Now what I always bring with me in my toiletry bag is I bring 3 face or skin products, okay? So for my base moisturizer, I actually mix 2 moisturizers. And the reason why is because one is just straight SPF and the other one is the moisturizer. So I love bringing the Mario Badescu Hydro Moisturizer with vitamin C. And obviously I love these because they are amazing travel size products. So like super tiny, but they pack a lot of power. So the Mario Badescu is like the perfect moisturizer. So I'll take a little bit of this and also a little bit of the Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion for your face. It has SPF 30 in it, and it is a mineral SPF that is completely transparent. It has no color at all, which means that whenever you apply it, you know how sometimes with some sunscreens, whenever you apply the sunscreen, it'll leave like a white residue. Well, this doesn't do this at all. What is that noise? Sorry guys, you guys can hear something in the background. That shower, for some reason, it's like even when it's turned off, after you run it, like for like 20 minutes, it'll still drip water until it's completely drained out. Anyways, so this SPF is completely transparent, so it won't leave that white residue, which is perfect. And I do wear SPF most days, so that's why this is a must. So I'll take a little bit of this, like a tiny amount, because a little bit of this goes a long way. So like that much, and then a little bit of that same Mario Badescu, again like that much, and then taking it, rub them together, and just apply this to my skin. So of course when I'm at home, my skincare routine is definitely a lot more intense than this. Like I'll do face masks, I'll do extractions, I'll do like all that good stuff. But again, when I'm traveling, I want to keep it to a minimum. And I also prefer to use more affordable drugstore products. So like if I were to ever lose my bag or something like that while I'm traveling, like I don't have to worry about wasting a lot of money, if that makes sense. Last but not least, I'll take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Now this right here is probably the best drugstore eye cream that I have found. It is amazing. Looks like this. Again, it's the perfect travel size, you guys. You guys see the general theme here is travel size products. So I'll take this here, and this little baby right here will give your skin all the moisture it needs. So I'll take this, apply it right here under my eyes, and just rub it in, and it instantly makes your under eye area feel like it was just drenched in water. Like literally, it makes your skin feel so good. And you guys know that I've been raving about the Charlotte Tilbury eye rescue cream, which is amazing, don't get me wrong, and that one's still my absolute favorite. But this one is a really good alternative as well. Like if you're on a budget and you want something that's a little bit more, you know, financially friendly, then this is a good option. And then brushing my teeth. My teeth are brushed. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my Vaseline. I bought this little baby Vaseline, I think at Walmart or Target, I can't remember, but this always comes with me when I travel. I don't know, am I the only one who like has to put Vaseline on my lips before I go to bed? And in the morning, like I have to put it on at night and first thing in the morning. So teeth are brushed, skin is moisturized, we smell good, all thanks to Scentbird. And again, you guys, Scentbird is just such a great option for trying and testing out multiple fragrances or scents of your choice. If you guys yourselves are interested in trying out Scentbird, click that link down below in the description box. You could also get 50% off your first month of trying out the subscription service. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. And again, it's only 15 bucks a month. And these are the perfect travel options. You can put it in your purse, in a diaper bag. You can put it in your work bag, have it at your desk. So many different options, and these are just great alternatives to use, you know, for that. So that is basically it for my travel skincare beauty routine. Again, it's pretty simple, but again, I want to keep it that way because I'm traveling and I want to keep my products, you know, pretty affordable and pretty minimal. So that is typically what I do. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy and impromptu video in my random Airbnb. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.